Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created a column in database and integrate that column with our MVC pattern. In this tutorial, we will upload the image and store its reference within the database. As you can see, here we have a table having empty value for the feature image. In the previous tutorial, we have getted the response from the controller by uploading the image. Here is the reference of the image, and we need to store this reference within our model. So we have model on the top, and we will cut this and declare that model after getting this response, and this response have the path of image. Now comment this, and in this model we have path of image. Either it will be null and it have the full-fledged path of the image, and it will be sent to this action and inserted the record. Now execute the application, and you will see when I will upload any image, it not only upload in the folder, but the path of that image will be represented here, which will be useful for us whenever we need to call a feature image. We directly call from the database and add within the view with the help of view bag or direct variable. Now it is executing, and here we have our application, and here is the path, and we need to store only this path which is informative for us. Now you can see I will create demo1 category, publish, whatever, and change its name image2. Oops, not this, image2. Here we have this, and create tutorial. And here you can see it is worked, but see here we have the path or not. Yes, here we have the path. You can see this is the path of the image we want to use. Here is the latest ID, and that's it. We have successfully stored the path of the image in our database. Now whenever we need this image, we directly fetch from this path and place there. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.